What's up guys, it's Casual Car Guy here with a quick tutorial on how to set up your Volkswagen Homelink with your garage. Alright, so before we begin here, I just want to state that this video does apply to any Volkswagen that is 2020 or newer. The specific car that I'll be using is a 2022 Volkswagen Atlas. So this will be a quick tutorial, pretty easy to follow. Your Homelink buttons on your 2020 or newer Volkswagen cars should be right here. 1, 2, and 3, and then you have a Bluetooth button right here in the middle, but you can ignore that for now. I also want to point out that while you'll see the Homelink buttons for this car located below the rear view mirror, some cars have their Homelink buttons equipped in the center here or on your sun visor. I already have this garage door programmed to 1, so for this video, I'm going to program it to 2. What you'll need is obviously your car. Right now I have mine turned on. You can probably have it turned off as well, as long as you have power to the electronics. What you'll also need is your garage door remote if you have one. So to get this started, what you'll need to do is press and hold your garage door remote while you press and hold the button that you want to link up. So if you see here, I'm going to press both buttons at the same time. And what you'll notice is there's an orange blinking button along with the house symbol. Now once you see that green button flashing, that means you can stop. So the garage opened because I had clicked the garage door opener along with the Homelink button. But what you'll see here is that now once I click just the Homelink button, you'll get that green flash and the garage door will work just as you would expect. Alright, so now that I have Homelink synced up and you saw that green flashing button, I'll no longer need this garage door remote, so I'm going to set that off to the side. And all you need to do is simply press your Homelink button once, and there your garage door opens up, just like it should. Alright guys, so that's it. Hopefully you found this video quick and easy. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to get back to you. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more helpful car content.